It was the worst song in the world that they based tribute. 20 years ago, I had run out of gas and I got sunburned walking down a long and lonesome road. And all of a sudden, there were two guys with a guitar in the middle of the road. So I said, "Is there a gas station up ahead or further down the road?" Well, I don't think they heard me. And they looked at each other and they each said, "Okay." And they started playing and singing things that filled me full of dread. It just so happened to be the worst song in the world. It was the worst song in the world. Looking in my eyes, trying to get gas, and you see, they called me a genius. It knocked out the credibility. It was a monstrosity. I was in a coma for 20 years or so. When I got heat stroke and finally woke in the hospital, I did Needless to say, I was stunned. Going to pass out with my mission failed, and it was because of the sun. So I asked them, "Have you water?" And they each said, "Nay. We are but men. Rock." The worst song in the world, no. This is why they should just sing tribute. They couldn't remember the worst song in the world, yeah, no. So now they should play tribute. Say it was the greatest song in the world. It was the most horrible noise in the world. It was the most terrible motherfucking song, the most horrendous song in the world. The only comfort I have about this, my friends, is the noise they made on that fateful night. It didn't actually sound anything like tribute.